Hey guys, magando umaga, kumusta? This is Scott Expat in the Philippines. Well, as you can see, it's a bit muddy down there. I've just been to Sunbury Sand and Soil. They're going to drop me off 4 square metres of soil to do the garden beds. Put topsoil over the top of the garden bed, especially up in that bottom corner up there where the silver birches are, because their roots are showing, and around that garden bed I'll do the agapanthus, and I want some to go there as well, and it's got to follow that track around my bed. That'll be the yellow crushed rock. I'm going to get him to drop it here, both the sand and the crushed rock, just in that area there, because Mum's pole back up there. Nobody can pinch the bloody thing. There's my wheelbarrow up and running. I used that yesterday. Those agapanthus, as you can see right up there in the highlights. Two lights here, but yeah, the yellow sand will go up on this, well, crushed rock will go up on this nature strip, because it's, as you can see, anyone walking along, if there's 2 abreast, could slip off the concrete and do themselves a nasty injury, and I don't really particularly want to be sitting there very much. So this is what I did yesterday. Not these flowers. I put these agapanthus. They will grow. I should trim that one there to the right, but they will grow, and I'll put some soil in I've got to get the shovel out and get rid of these weeds. I sprayed weed killer on them yesterday, and I'll get rid of the leaves there near the power pole. But yeah, I'm going to fill all this section in right up to here. I might have to come here and cut in a little bit, and that way this can sit in there. But anyway, best I go and do that. I'll be back soon. There we go. 400 square metres of this orangey, sandy stone pebble mix throughout the front and up the walkway, and 400 square metres for the brown dirt for the garden. Not bad, eh? That all up 820 bucks. I'll go get on to doing what I have to do, and we'll get this organised. Working in the gold mine, working downtown, working in the gold mine. That's where it's going, right there. dump it in the driveway. People don't pitch it. I can easily, once I move the soil, move it once well, just have a break. I'm going to go and pick up CJ. I've got the dust gets up your nose. I got rid of some of it because it was out there, remember? And now it's back here. I'll just show you what I've done. Soil, I have taken a little bit from the front on the other side of the footpath, so that's not too bad. Just taking it away from the walkway a bit, which is good. That way posts come down. There it is. And here little post carts. Pretty cool. There you go, Marty. But yeah, I've moved some of the sand and dirt from there, and I'll push out some more later. But it's come up okay. I've got to fill up a little bit of dirt there in that gap, push it off the footpath out of the gutter, and put the agapanthus in there. I've got to put some more of these sun flowers in, and some of these agapanthus in. I just dropped a load there, so I've got to fill up this bit here near the pipe where it's brown. I've got to fill that up and fill up around the electric box, and just where the little bits, so no one can trip over the or fall off the footpath. So when I mean that, I mean some people tend to slip off the edges. I've done it once or twice, but it's all back there, and looks nice around the gum tree. I'll put a few plants on the other side. I've got to put more dirt there. Oh yeah. Thanks, buddy. Their characters, our postman. So yeah, got that done. A little bit more, probably a little bit more over the top might do, but it should be okay. It's I didn't lay it too heavy at first, but I'll spread this mound back and up to the electrical box, and then I'll do the same on this side, spread it a bit, and it should look good. Anyway, I'm going to go and pick up CJ in Granny's car. Back soon.